Do you remember we were going to make them jingles, but we didn't?
Oh. Okay.
F Radio.
What?
To DJ Fred on CMF Radio.
Oh. Well, they've sent me an email. It contains 1 credit for us to make a jingle using AIJingleMaker.com. Yes, let's take a look at it. Let's make a jingle. Like and subscribe here. You can comment as well with any comments you might have on the website on making jingles. And we'll go make our free jingle using our 1 credit. This should be fun. Back on this website, I've logged in like you have to do if you've not seen this website before. We've done a video. I shall stick a little link to it. Let's put it. Is it here? They up here? There'll be a link there, and we'll stick one in the description down there as well. It's called AI Jingle Maker. It lets you make jingles using AI technology. Well, here we go then. So what we can do is create a jingle. You input words, text, and then you build the jingle around it using the generator that it has built. So we've been given 1 credit. I don't know what that means. I don't know what we get with 1 credit, but I think it means we can finally make a jingle. Last time we were like, I don't want to pay for this. This time we don't have to pay for it. It's free. So let's click create a jingle then. And we can start building a jingle, I believe. So as we went through last time, you go through each bit by bit. Adding your little bits, then we're going to generate jingle down at the bottom. So first we'll do our voiceover. It doesn't say anything about credits here. Oh, here we go. We have 1 credit. There you go. Credits equals 1. If the total hasn't properly refreshed, wait 30 seconds. It's refreshed. Select the voice. Right, here we go. Select the voice. Let's use.
You're listening to DJ Fred on CMF Radio.
Bloody hell, it's an Aussie. We don't want an Aussie. Let's do, what's Callum?
You're listening to DJ Fred on CMF Radio.
Sounds a little bit scary.
You're listening to DJ Fred on CMF Radio.
Sounds like he's in pain.
You're listening to DJ Fred on CMF Radio.
A little bit boring. Let's go with James.
You're listening to DJ Fred on
No. Michael?
You're listening to DJ Fred on CMF Radio.
Let's go with the female. It's just, yeah.
You're listening to DJ Fred on CMF Radio.
That'll do. Right, so let's put in our text. So, there it is really what we put last time. You're listening to Radio Lala. Let's put make some noise on YouTube. Let's take out the Radio Lala bit and just use them. Radio Lala is my radio show that I do. Take that out. You are listening to Make Some Noise on YouTube, or you are watching. We'll have. Maybe we can use it in our videos. Enter a unique title to store this file. Make some noise. Right. You are watching. Careful how you spell things. You are watching. No, this still doesn't make sense. You are watching Make Some Noise. Make some noise. Make some noise. Always good to proofread. Make some noise on YouTube. You are watching Make Some Noise on YouTube. Let's go with the whole hog with Craig K. Spell that right. Right. Make some noise. It's called Generate Voiceover. Please select a voice. I thought we had. What? Select voice. Right. Hang on. Who did we say? Oh, crikey. Who's this?
You're listening to DJ Fred on CMF Radio.
No.
You're listening to DJ Fred on... You're listening to DJ Fred.
No.
You're listening to DJ...
Yeah, definitely Freya.
You're listening to DJ Fred on CMF Radio.
Thank you, Freya. Right, generate voice. You don't have any record. Generate voice. Generating voiceover. Here we go. Your voiceover has been generated. 1 credit has been deducted. Oh. Play.
You're watching Make Some Noise on YouTube with Craig K.
That's not too bad.
You're watching Make Some Noise on YouTube with Craig K.
One more time.
You're watching Make Some Noise on YouTube with Craig K.
Okay. Right, select. We'll use that. That's our voiceover done. Make some noise. Intro effects. Here we go. Here we go. What are we after here? Vocal, retro, scratches, bleeps, guitars, sci-fi, risers. What's this? No. No. Okay. No. Quick shot. That is very quick. Driving in your car.
When you're driving in your car, feeling kinda low, need a little pick me up.
Shut up. Nope. Crank me up. No. Hit scratch. No. God. Okay. Select that. That'll do. Outro effects. There is loads of effects, isn't there? Let's use this. Let's have a look at party time. Oh, there's only one. Driving your car. I've just done that one. Latino out. Landing. Soft sweep. Epic fall. Swood landing. Epic horn. Party stinger. I mean, myself, no. Bang string? Sting? Stereo fall. I guess if you haven't got any sort of sound effects and things, this works pretty well. Oscillate, hits. Retro. Let's have a listen to some retro sounds. What have we got here? What? Oh, I see. Oh. I think I used that on my radio show. Let's try it. Can we change them? Oh, yeah, you can change them once you put them in. That's all right. We're not on that then. Let's go with... I don't know. No. Fun. No. I mean... They're not great sounds, are they? Let's go with this. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so we've got a scratch crank at the start. Then it's going to be our vocal, which sounds quite nice. And then we've got this sweep landing sound effect. Now for some background music. Oh, the joys of all these to go through. Traditional, here we go. Bombay Dreams. Stop. I mean, I get it. That's good. Guitar. Here we go. Funky guitar. You're listening to Craig K. Make some noise. That's enough of that. Country love riffs, heavy guitar. Stop. 60s riff. I mean, if I had time, I'd probably sit through them all and pick one. Happy techno. Jesus. No. House claps. Yeah, that'll do. It's simple. So there we go. We've built our jingle. We've got a scratch crank at the start. We've got some house claps underneath. We've got a sweep landing, and then our vocal over the top. What's this? Add some chorus. Give it a robotic effect. Add vibe. Gives a robotic vibe to the voiceover. No, yeah. Generate. Oh, actually, go on then. I do use chorus. Let's see what it sounds like. Generate jingle. It cost me a whole 1 credit that I didn't even pay for. And here it is. Oh, we can download it. We can play it. Here we go. This is the final jingle then. Here we go.
You're watching Make Some Noise on YouTube with Craig K.
One more time.
You're watching Make Some Noise on YouTube with Craig K.
I mean, it could be awful. It could be absolutely dreadful, couldn't it? It could be terrible.
You're watching Make Some Noise on YouTube with Craig K.
I wouldn't pay for it. If I bought that, I'd be a bit sort of disheartened. I'd be like, really, is that it?
You're watching Make Some Noise on YouTube with Craig K.
It works, I guess, for free. That's 1 credit. I've been sent that for free. I don't know if they've watched the video or it's just something the website does. So when you sign up and you haven't used it for a while, they send you a free credit to make 1 jingle. But there we go. Let's download it. Why not? It's free. Might use it somewhere. Somehow, I don't know the sort of the legal connotations of how you can use it, but there you go. Lots of deals on there as well. But that was us making a jingle on AI Jingle Maker. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you be using it now after we've sort of tested it? It's not bad. It's one more listen.
You're watching Make Some Noise on YouTube with Craig K.
It's basic, I'll give it that, but there you go. It's done the job. If you need somewhere to make jingles quickly, you can't get your hands on a voice. That sounds a bit weird. You can't find somebody's voice to use, or you haven't really got the money to pay for a jingle. It's there. It's doable. It's AIJingleMaker.com. Go and join it for free. You can sign up for free, but it does cost you to use it. You buy credits, but you never know. You might get yourself a nice free credit. A free credit. There you go. A bit of a continuation to the video we did a few weeks back. Anyway, like and subscribe below, of course. That's always nice to do. When we reach 400 subscribers, we will be giving away some more free jingles. Every 200 subscribers, we give away a free jingle pack. I'll be making some jingle packs very soon as well on this channel. What else? You can also find details to the Patreon, which is coming soon as well. Also, some other bits and pieces that are free, all at craigk.co.uk/YouTube. Got that? craigk.co.uk/YouTube. The link is there. It's in the description as well. And I'll see you next time. Tatty bye.